In February 2026, something happened that most people barely noticed, but it revealed the true nature of the AI war. The United States approved limited exports of NVIDIA's advanced H200 AI chips to China. Then, almost immediately, Chinese customs blocked those shipments. Production paused. Orders froze. Billions of dollars were left hanging. And in that moment, one thing became crystal clear. AI is no longer just about cool apps. It's no longer about chatbots or image generators. AI is now geopolitics. AI is power. AI is global competition at the highest level. From the outside, the AI model war looks harmless. New features, flashy demos, smarter chatbots. But underneath the surface, a much darker and deeper battle is unfolding. A battle over who controls the most powerful chips. Who owns the biggest data sets? Who has the infrastructure to scale? And who gets to write the rules? Governments are stepping in. Corporations are racing forward. And almost all of this is happening far away from the apps you actually use. So in this video, we're breaking down 10 things they're not telling you about the AI model war. And we're starting from the inside and working outward. Number 10. You are already part of this war. Every time you use an AI tool, you're doing more than getting an answer. Most AI systems quietly record interactions to improve performance, fix errors, and train future versions, unless you explicitly opt out. When millions of people type prompts every single day, those tiny interactions turn into a massive feedback loop. A loop that shapes how future AI models think, speak, and behave. So when you ask AI to write a message, summarize a video, or solve a problem, you're actively training the system. You don't need to be a researcher. You don't need to work at a lab. Your everyday digital behavior feeds the race to build more powerful AI. Number 9. Whoever wins could shape reality itself. This is not hype. Governments now treat advanced AI as a strategic asset, on the same level as oil, nuclear energy, or military technology. That's why high-end AI chips are tightly regulated, and why countries are pouring billions into domestic chip manufacturing. The leader in AI doesn't just build better tools, they influence how automation spreads, how information flows, how global standards are defined, from medicine to logistics, from defense to financial markets. The winner doesn't just control technology, they influence how societies function. Number 8. They are training models on almost everything we do. At the core of modern AI is data. Massive amounts of it. Text, images, code, books, and in many cases, user interactions where policies allow. Each prompt feels insignificant. But at scale, millions of interactions reveal exactly how humans think, speak, and solve problems. That's why the AI race isn't just about algorithms anymore. It's about who can collect the most data, who can clean it, and who can process it the fastest. Every search, every prompt, every uploaded file, all of it feeds the system whether you realize it or not. Number 7. There are secret labs even insiders can't talk about. Inside major AI companies, research is heavily compartmentalized. Teams only see what they absolutely need to see. Some projects are locked behind strict non-disclosure agreements, so strict that even employees can't discuss them internally. These labs protect work-on, model scaling, new architectures, specialized hardware optimization, because secrecy equals advantage. And the fact that so much progress is hidden tells you something important. The biggest breakthroughs are not the ones you see in public demos. Number 6. The most powerful models aren't the ones you use. The AI in your phone or browser is rarely the real cutting edge. Companies test far more capable systems internally before releasing smaller, safer versions to the public. We saw this clearly in 2024 and 2025. Labs like OpenAI, Google DeepMind, and Anthropic pushed advanced systems behind closed doors, while users only received gradual upgrades. Why? Because powerful models are expensive, hard to control, and sometimes too dangerous to release. What you see is the tip of the iceberg. The real breakthroughs happen where almost nobody gets access. Number 5, AI is shifting from answering to acting. This is one of the biggest changes happening right now. AI is no longer just replying, it's starting to do. We're seeing AI agents that can browse the web, write and run code, book appointments, complete multi-step tasks autonomously. Google introduced agentic features. OpenAI released autonomous workflows. Startups began building entire companies around AI employees. Because influence is no longer about words. If AI can act in the real world, even partially, it becomes far more powerful. The war is moving from who answers best to who executes reliably at scale. Number 4, speed is quietly beating safety. Publicly, every AI company talks about responsibility and alignment. Privately, the pressure to win is intense. Reports from 2024 and 2025 revealed internal conflicts inside major labs. How fast is too fast? Move too slow, you lose the race. Move too fast, you risk releasing something you don't fully understand. Governments want progress. Investors want returns. Most of this tension never reaches press releases, but it's shaping the future of AI right now. Number 3, the real battlefield is chips and compute. The AI war isn't just about smarter algorithms, it's about raw power. Training frontier models requires massive GPU clusters, custom data centers, and enormous amounts of electricity. That's why companies like OpenAI, Google, Meta, and Microsoft are spending billions securing chip supply and infrastructure. Here's the truth. If you don't have compute, your research doesn't matter. Hardware isn't support, it's the advantage. Number 2, governments are deeply involved. This is no longer just corporate competition. Governments have entered the game. The US, China, and other major powers now treat AI and semiconductors as matters of national security. That's why we're seeing export controls, investment restrictions, massive public funding for chips and data centers. Most of this happens quietly, behind policy documents and closed-door meetings. But the rules being written right now will decide who controls advanced AI and who depends on others for it. Number 1, data collection goes deeper than they admit. Companies talk about privacy, but the reality is far more complex. Many AI systems collect and store more interaction data than users expect, sometimes for long periods. Even when data is anonymized, it still improves models and future capabilities. The AI war runs on data, and that creates one powerful incentive: collect as much of it as possible. Every click, every prompt, every uploaded file. That's the part most people never see when they open an AI app. If you made it this far, drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you want to see how creators are actually analyzing and reverse engineering YouTube channels, there's a free link to Overseer OS in the description. Watch the next video on screen right now. This story goes even deeper. Thanks for watching.